Welcome back to the channel, guys. So you know I've been monitoring the Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce MVP switch situation from during the Olympics. Zane, I did a video back then about the whole situation and what might have happened. I did a follow-up video recently where the move was actually confirmed by her new coach. But now I'm coming across other information that is suggesting that the move is being blocked by a combination of MVP, I suppose, and apparel sponsors, Nike, or as we say in Jamaica, Nike. It says longtime sponsor block Shelly-Ann's MVP exit. Hey. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce move from the MVP Truck Club has reportedly collapsed after her longtime kit sponsor Nike, according to our sources, threatened to pull the plug on their multi-million-dollar deal. Fraser-Pryce has started her background training with Wijnaldum Walcott, who for several years have been a member of the MVP's technical team. Walcott is in the process of establishing his own club, which I think is good. The more club we have with quality coaches, the better it is for Jamaica's track and field, which will be based at St. Elizabeth Technical High School in Santa Cruz. I'm glad for that too, because we have a potentially big club being established in central Jamaica for those athletes. So everybody now have got MVP and racers and Cameron Blazers and Sprint Tech and Sweep and never mind and JC Faster. With Nike initially giving their blessing to Fraser-Pryce's move. However, this media source understands that the American sportswear giant, which also sponsors MVP, conflict of interest, changed its position after Stephen Francis, MVP's head coach and Fraser-Pryce's longtime conditioner, expressed his preference that she remains with the University of Technology base outfit. So Stephen had changed him out here, so because Stephen did actually say, yo, Shelly, if you go on still, you understand me? I say, if she feel like he can no longer help her. Zane, I initially stated that it would have been a wrong move at this stage in Shelly-Ann's career. However, in the follow-up video that I did, I say, you know what? Sometimes these things have to happen for other things happen. Zane, and Shelly-Ann would give the new truck club down in Santa Cruz some star appeal. That's why I say we're seeing recently as well 2 other athletes who were formerly at MVP also moved over. They were at Cameron Blazers, but they have changed from Cameron Blazer and moved to States. So my thing say right now MVP I keep up foolishness. You don't know how me feel about Bruce James and Stephen Francis. Bruce James and Stephen Francis are 2 of the best thing we have happened to Jamaican track and field. I don't think there's been a better coach in track and field than Stephen Francis. You understand? And what Bruce James has done for our country is really and truly unparalleled. So I say about my thing said they trying now to block Shelly-Ann's move is a bit over the top. So I say if she wants to leave, make sure. Says 2 suggestions. Nike reportedly then suggested that Fraser either remain at MVP or join one of their sponsored groups, the Los Angeles-based Bobby Kersey outfit, which includes American star Alyssa Felix. Felix is Nike's highest paid female athlete at around $1 million US. Fraser-Pryce deals, which expire soon, falls below that figure, but is expected to be renewed and improved. Shelly, you can't really walk from that still, you know, that rough. Fraser-Pryce has established herself as Jamaica's flag bearer in the international female sprinting over the years, having won 6 Olympic medals, including 2 golds as well as 7 World Championship golds and 2 silvers. She has spent her entire professional career wearing Nike's swoosh and has taken every stride under the guidance of Stephen Francis, but the 2 seem to be heading in separate directions after word broke during the Rio Olympic Games that she had decided to end her association with Francis and the MVP. The sprinter has been training with Walcott in St. Elizabeth ahead of the coming season and had, according to our information, already secured a property in the parish. Serious settings that you know. Her move seemed to have triggered a mini exodus to Santa Cruz, with Khalid Spencer and Christine Day cutting their ties, as I mentioned earlier, with Burt Cameron Blazers, and also making the move to the South Coast. More star power that you know. With other MVP athletes, including one promising male sprinter, also said to be considering a similar move, it is believed that Francis, who earlier seemed resigned to losing his most decorated athlete, expressed a new position on the matter. I find that surprising to know the type of person Stephen Francis is and his personality. President of the MVP Track and Field Club, Bruce James, when contacted yesterday afternoon, stated that he did not wish to speak on the sprinters' training arrangements at this point. I'm not surprised. Bruce James is kind of like that. I see him, so initially he did a shy away from it when the news broke during the Rio Olympics. Fraser-Pryce ended a troubled 2016 season where she battled with a serious toe injury and gained a bronze medal in the 100 meter at the Rio Olympic Games. She also helped Jamaica to win silver in the 4x100 meters. I don't know what you think about the situation. My personal take on the situation is that if Shelly wants to leave, allow her to leave. Then if she feels so strongly about it and she thinks she's in a position to lose the money where Nike give her, I think there are other sports manufacturers out there who would be ready and willing to take on Shelly. Puma, Adidas, big companies who I think wouldn't be a problem, would have a problem with associating their brands with Shelly, but I suppose it's what Shelly wants. I don't know how lucrative those sponsorship deals would be compared to the one she have now and the one that is going to end soon and is going to be probably renewed with more financial benefits for her. So I suppose that decision that she has to sit down with her handlers and make. What MVP is doing and Stephen and Bruce James, if that is the case, I think it's not right. Zane, if she wants to go, allow her to go. If she is not happy, she is not happy. Why keep an unhappy athlete? Why then try to stifle another track club's progress now because of our selfishness? Zane, first, as I don't tell you, I think Shelly should never have even considered leaving MVP in the first place. But yes, as I said, them things they have knock-on effects. Shelly goes there, other persons goes there. By the time you know it, Central Jamaica has one of the biggest track clubs in the country. More and more Olympic athletes are produced. Jamaica's track and field will get stronger and stronger and stronger. So I see that as a win for the country. So I say, so Stephen, you know say you're the man. Bruce, you're the man. But we don't need for looking at the thing, we don't need for understand, say, here we go on. Having an unhappy athlete don't make no sense. So I say, Steve and Shelly-Ann relationship look like it is beyond repair. So what's the sense? Allow the young lady to go. If she feel like she want to lose the Nike contract because of her personal convictions, then it's up to her. Shelly money must enough by now, you know. So if she feel like she can survive other than that, then make the girl step. You understand what I say? As I said, I am sure other sportwear giants would be willing to take her on. So peace, I follow the situation as it develops, if it develops anymore, the outcome, and you know, I'll always be here to share these things with you. So tell me what you feel about the situation. Is Bruce James and Stephen Francis wrong to be trying to block the move? Is Shelly-Ann making the right decision in moving to Walcott's camp? Is it going to be a negative or a positive for Jamaica's track and field? So tell me what you're thinking in the comment section down below. Until next time, peeps. Peace out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.